Hello guys, today I'm going to unbox this mystery box from Serenity. This costs 499 plus 95 pesos shipping. So let's see what's inside the box. So I've got this set of stainless straw, one thin straw, no sinkers, thick straw with sinkers, and cleaning brush. I believe these cost 250 pesos. Next is a gift certificate from Serenity worth 200 pesos. Then I also have in the box a matcha white chocolate pili nuts. I think this is a limited edition from Serenity. And this costs 220 pesos. And the last one is Cafe di Tiamo mug with bead and strainer. I think this costs more than 500. So we'll just, since wala yung Serenity sign niya dito sa harapan, so sabihin na lang natin ito ng 400 pesos kasi yung strainer naman niya is made of stainless. Overall, my computation is 1,070 pesos and not bad for a mystery box. Dahil marami rin tayong na-save, pwede natin itong pang-gift. So this is my holiday unboxing mystery box from Serenity.